Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin. Needing a quick solution to test refrigerator capacitance in very low resistive component values, I decided to explore the Fnirsi low-cost LCR-ST1 Tweezer tool. What arrived from Amazon was well packaged in a nice case. Some extra probes, a sticky metal plate to use with the magnetic feature, and a tiny text user manual. This tool helped me analyze the electrical components of my refrigerator, leaving a high confidence that a refrigerant leak was the kitchen appliance's problem, and a new fridge moved onto my shopping list. Out of failure came discovery. The unique tool has many features documented in the included manual. Luckily, their website offers a PDF version to help with the tiny text, but leaves some features obscure. For example, the function chart on page 17 has confusing slash indicators in the interface area. What is described on page 26 bypasses the firmware update function completely and simply turns on the unit screen. Access to the firmware update requires a quick tap on the power button while the dial button is pressed. The data hold, saving, and retrieval function is poorly described, leaving this important option a mystery to most. And multiple button features are not covered at all. For example, pull the panel button to the left and hit the power button to reveal a hidden menu item called Calibrate. This was shown in a video by YouTuber Joftec, who demonstrated this more robust calibration menu. What appears to be several resistance range calibrations becomes available via the dial button, each initiated by a press of the menu button. To translate the on-screen instruction, you can use something like Google Lens as demonstrated by Joftec. But unless you have resistance references, I suspect you should only attempt at the short and open calibrations. This short calibration seems to work better than the short circuit zeroing for a given frequency as noted on page 24. And now, my video will cover how to effectively collect multiple readings and retrieve them later. First, power on the LCR-ST1 device. Then plug the LCR-ST1 device into a Windows 11 computer using a USB cable. Use Windows Explorer to navigate to the LCR-ST1 device's drive that then pops up, and delete the history.csv file found in that device's drive. Next, power cycle the LCR-ST1 device off, then on, to establish an empty formatted history.csv file, as shown in this example. You are now ready to take a series of measurements in the following fashion. A. While measuring a new component, press the device menu button to illuminate its H hold icon on the screen. This is safe. B. After leaving that component, press the device menu button to release its hold so that the H icon disappears. You are now ready to read another value, repeating steps A and B. Upon measurement completion, plug the LCR-ST1 back into the Windows PC. Then, ensure the device is powered on. This transfers the filled, separated values CSV file to the PC. Using Windows Explorer once again, navigate to the device's drive. Then, load the new history.csv file into any CSV-capable application. Examples include Excel, LibreOffice Calc, and even Notepad from Windows 11. One last point, it is important to have this file imported as Unicode UTF-8. If your application is set to Unicode UTF-16, the data will be unreadable. For example, in Explorer, navigate to the drive created by the device, and then transfer the newly created history.csv file to a CSV file capable application like LibreOffice Calc. Ensure that the import box shows UTF-8 as the character set. If not, if something like UTF-16 is selected, the data will generally be trash. So ensure that the pull down selects the UTF-8. Then click OK and the data will import into your spreadsheet. If anyone finds more Easter egg features or a better way to do this, please include that information in the comments below. In summary, this is a clearly clever tool, and I was happy to buy it.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.